In this video, I will give you a full guide on doublecounter bot and show you how to find anyone's alt accounts. But before that, many of you watch my video but not subscribing, so make sure to like and subscribe so that we can get into algorithm. It helps the channel a lot. Let's get started. The first step here is get doublecounter bot. The link will be in the video's description. The second step is giving admin perm to the bot and place it above all the roles. Now, even if you don't give admin perm, that's alright. It's not quite mandatory as long as the bot has right perms. The third step is create a verify or members role and make sure it doesn't have any dangerous perms since you will be giving it to the regular members. The fourth step is setting up a verified channel. You need to create a separate channel for the verification. The perm of the channel goes like this. At everyone role can see the channel because when a member joins us, they don't get any role. Make sure that everyone role doesn't have any perm except for view channel and read messages, while verify role can have view channel perm. That will be up to you. You can keep view channel perm for verify. As for the other channels you want people to see after they are verified, this will go the opposite way. For every role, remove the view channel perm and give the same perm to the verify role. Whether you want to give the send message perm to the verify role is up to you. When someone verifies, they will receive the verify role and can see all the channels since the verify role has the view channel perm. If you need to change perms for multiple channels, go to the category and change the role's perm however you want. Once that's settled, go to a channel inside the category and simply click Sync Now. It will change the channel's permission to match the category. Then you can go to other channels and click Sync Now. It will save a lot of your time. It is time to head to the dashboard of the bot. This is very important since we need to set up roles. Go to Configuration. But before that, if you can't see the dashboard, just type in doublecounter dashboard in Google and it should do it. Or just join my Discord server. You will find its link there. Now back to the topic. Everything over here is self-explanatory, but keep all the settings same as mine. From mode to auto ban to local/global detections to everything. For logs, doublecounter bot has a separate invite bot that does the logging. So if you want to invite that bot, that's a whole different rabbit hole. You do you. Now for VPN, make sure not to enable block VPNs. The bot has made mistakes here. It has target people in my server who didn't use VPN, but still said that they were using VPN. So yeah, I don't know about that feature. Now simple, just add staff role here and add unverified role in unverified role. I forgot to tell you that you had to make unverified role too, with verified role. Since all is set and done, let's add the verification here. Type in /panel. This will pop up. You can do it in various channels. When somebody clicks this, it will take them to a different web page where their IP address gets matched with the IP addresses that are already present in its database. If it matches, it means that person is an alt account. Speaking of alt accounts, we need a user. Let's choose this little Timmy. The reason little Timmy is so salty is that we refused to use his pronouns, which were burger/king. And he got mad. Let's copy his user ID. Go to any channel and type /dougal. Now click the blue thingy dougal by doublecounter. You need to log in here. Now just add that little Timmy's user ID. I bet all the servers have their own versions of little Timmy's. But remember that this bot doesn't magically just finds alt account. It saves the IP addresses in the database and matches with user you're trying to dougal. Wow. Little Timmy has 4 alt accounts. I wonder if each of them have different pronouns. Maybe the first one has Mac/Donalds as its pronouns. Jokes aside, you can ban those alt accounts or do whatever you want. Anyway, if you face any problem, join doublecounter community server. The invite link will be in the video's description. This is not a sponsorship video, by the way, but if a doublecounter staff or owner sees this and likes it, you can just give me your premium for free as a thank you gift. And guys, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead.